It's me again, and this is a bit of an unexpected video because I wasn't planning on doing this, but my mum's ordered the little Box of Crochet Advent box, and we had decided to do the project together, and so that's what we're going to do. And she also thought, why not do an unboxing video? So here I am. So here it is. It's a big box. It looks very exciting. Love the box, very Christmassy. I've seen little bits on Instagram about the Advent box. I kind of read past it, so actually I don't really know much about it at all, so it'd be a bit of a surprise. There's some nice gold wrapping inside. And it looks like a very full box. It's twice the size of their usual subscription boxes, so it's very exciting because those small subscription boxes, you get so much in them anyway. So let's see what it entails. So thinking back to my last unboxing video where I was utterly convinced that the October box was to robins, well, here's the moment because there's a robin on here. So it looks like a wreath, which was kind of what I was expecting. But like I said, I've kind of read through the Instagram things, haven't really been paying much attention. It was only until my mum had this lovely idea of us sharing the project that I've started packing up a bit. So, a really detailed book again, with very clear instructions of what the project entails. So over the next 24 days, you'll be making all the parts needed for your wreath. To begin, you'll be making the wreath base, which has a crochet cover, providing you with a firm base to attach all of the individual items to. So you'll be making a wide variety of different pieces to go on your wreath, etc., etc. So, okay, I haven't done an Advent box before, so this is new to me. So every day we will be doing a different pattern, a little thing to add on to the wreath. Well, maybe not necessarily every day, but that's the idea. So, flicking through, we've got the wreath base and cover, which we're going to be doing in one day. Got some evergreen pine things. Flick through, mistletoe leaves. Orange slices, apple slices, cinnamon sticks, apples, satsumas, pears, Christmas roses, thistle, poppy head, toadstools, and my favourite, a robin, which will be a real treat because robins are a bit sentimental to me. So it looks lovely. Very clear instructions from the looks of things as always, and clear pictures. I haven't read too much into it, but I'm going to assume that they're going to be YouTube videos. Don't quote me on that. That's something to find out about. So a very detailed instruction book. Next we have a notebook and a cute note card. And we have a crochet hook. I wasn't quite sure because it doesn't look like one. It's a very small one. 2.5 mm. Yeah, interesting. We have green ribbon. And I almost don't want to touch it because lots of little bits. But for every day, for every item, there's a little bag with, I'm assuming, everything you need in it. So I can feel it already. Actually, I can feel that there's some wool in there. Got some fairy lights as well. Got some stuffing. Oh, I've got a tea bag as well. Nice. Also got a button, stitch marker. This will be my favourite bit. I've just dropped something on the floor. I'm going to leave that because that's going to take too much time trying to pick up that. But the robin. And I think the rest is just packaging. So it's really exciting. I'm looking forward to getting started. I don't know how realistic it is going to be to get something done every day, but that's why I've got my mum helping me. So together we will get it done, something to look forward to. There we go. I'll keep you updated.